Hello guys. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to delete Edge and make Internet Explorer work again. As you can see, Internet Explorer isn't working and Edge is opening instead. To make it work, you must delete Edge. To delete Edge, you need to right-click on it and click More Options. Now open File Location. Right-click on Edge again and open File Location again. Now right-click on misedge.exe and delete it. If you can't delete it, it means that Edge is opened in background. Open Task Manager. Look for Microsoft Edge. Right-click on it and go to Details. Now right-click on misedge.exe and end this process. Now you will be able to delete it. Right-click on it and delete it. Go to its folder and delete it. Now you do not have Edge and Internet Explorer should be working now. Like and subscribe if this video helped you.